So, you're thinking about getting into crypto. Maybe you've been hearing all the buzz and are curious to explore this new digital frontier. Or maybe you've just dipped your toes in, bought a little Bitcoin or Ethereum, and are starting to get a feel for things. Welcome! We're glad you're here. It's an exciting space full of innovation and potential with new projects and technologies emerging all the time. But it can also feel like the Wild West, a chaotic landscape where risks abound and scams can be prevalent. Before you dive in headfirst, you need to get security right. It's the most important thing you can do. This video is about building a solid foundation, brick by brick, to keep your assets safe and secure from potential threats. Remember, this isn't financial advice. We're not telling you what to buy or sell. This is just practical tips and best practices to help you navigate the world of crypto securely and responsibly. In crypto, you are your own bank. You are in control of your own finances. That's empowering. It gives you unprecedented freedom and autonomy. But it also means you're solely responsible for your own security. There's no one else to blame if something goes wrong. So let's break down the 7 essential habits, the key things you need to protect your assets and sleep soundly at night. First up, passwords. They're your first line of defense. Weak passwords are like leaving your front door wide open. Use long, random combinations. Uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols. The more random, the better. Don't try to remember them all. Use a reputable password manager to generate and store unique passwords for every account. Your password manager is your encrypted vault. Just remember one strong master password. If one account is breached, the rest stay safe. Step 1. Get a password manager and use it for everything. Next, add two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever you can. Even if someone gets your password, 2FA blocks them. Avoid SMS-based 2FA. It's vulnerable to SIM swaps. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy for stronger protection. For maximum security, consider a physical security key like a YubiKey. Go through your crypto accounts and enable 2FA right now. Prioritize authenticator apps and upgrade to a hardware key if you're serious. This extra step can save your assets. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication are excellent first lines of defense, adding crucial layers of security to your accounts. They make it significantly harder for hackers to gain unauthorized access. However, even with these protections in place, sophisticated scammers can still try to trick you into giving up your information. They are constantly evolving their tactics. Phishing scams are a common method used by cybercriminals. They try to get you to hand over your personal and financial information. They often do this by pretending to be trusted websites, companies, or individuals that you might recognize. Be especially cautious of urgent emails that demand immediate action. Also, be wary of messages, whether they arrive via email or text, asking you to click on unfamiliar or suspicious links. Phishing attempts often involve requests to enter your login credentials, credit card details, or other sensitive data. As a general rule, never click on links embedded within emails from unknown or untrusted sources. Instead of clicking, manually type the website address directly into your browser's address bar. Alternatively, use bookmarks that you've previously saved for frequently visited websites. Always double-check the URLs of websites to ensure they are legitimate, looking for subtle misspellings or other oddities that might indicate a fake site. If something about a message or website feels off or suspicious, trust your gut instinct and verify the communication through official channels, such as contacting the company directly via phone or their official website. Exercise extreme caution, and don't share sensitive information such as your social security number or bank account details. Never provide personal details in response to unsolicited messages or phone calls, no matter how legitimate they may seem. Always stay skeptical and maintain a healthy level of caution when interacting with online communications. Remember, phishing attempts are everywhere, and vigilance is your best defense. Let's talk about something absolutely crucial in the world of cryptocurrency: your private keys. Think of them as the ultimate safeguard for your digital assets. Here's the golden rule: not your keys, not your coins. This simple phrase encapsulates the very essence of crypto ownership and control. Your private key is the only way to access your crypto. It's the digital signature that proves you own your assets and allows you to authorize transactions. Without it, your crypto is simply inaccessible. Lose it, and your funds are gone forever. There's no central authority to appeal to, no password reset option. Once it's gone, it's irretrievable. Never share your private key or seed phrase with anyone, not under any circumstances. This is paramount. Because there are no legitimate support staff asking for it, No legitimate website requesting it. Absolutely no one should ever have access to this information. Don't store them on your computer, email, or cloud. These are all vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. Use cold storage. A hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor keeps your keys offline and safe, shielded from online threats. Write your seed phrase on paper, carefully and accurately, and store it securely in a safe, a safety deposit box, or another secure location. Consider multiple copies in different safe places. This redundancy protects you from loss due to fire, theft, or other unforeseen events. Anyone with your private key or seed phrase can take your funds instantly. They can move your crypto without your permission, and there's no way to reverse the transaction. Treat these like the keys to your entire financial life. They represent everything you've invested in the crypto space. If you lose access, there's no recovery. Unlike traditional banking, there's no customer service to call for help. Protect them above all else. Your private keys are the foundation of your crypto security. The crypto world moves fast and hype is everywhere. Don't let FOMO drive your decisions. Scammers love it. Always do your own research before investing. Read the project's white paper and understand what problem it solves. Check if the team is public and reputable. Anonymous teams are a red flag. Look for a healthy, engaged community focused on real development. Be skeptical of promises of guaranteed high returns. If you can't explain why a project has value, don't invest. Keep all your software up to date, your OS browser wallet apps and hardware wallet firmware. Updates fix security holes that hackers exploit. Outdated software is an open door for attackers. Don't ignore update notifications, install them promptly. This applies to everything you use for crypto, not just your wallet. Staying updated is one of the easiest ways to protect yourself. Make it a habit. In crypto, privacy is security. Don't post wallet balances or screenshots online. It makes you a target. Avoid sharing personal info in crypto communities. Use pseudonyms and generic profile pictures. Don't link your public wallet address to your real identity. Attackers piece together small details to target you. The less you share, the safer you are. Those are the 7 habits for staying safe in crypto. It might seem like a lot, but these steps quickly become second nature. The goal isn't paranoia, it's preparation. Crypto puts you in control, but also in charge of your own security. Keep learning, stay vigilant, and always do your own research. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more guides on staying safe in crypto. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.